Want more coding tips? Like, subscribe, and you won't miss a single video. Breadth First Search, BFS, is a simple but powerful way to explore or search through a graph, like a map or a network of friends, and it does this in a level-by-level manner. Think of it like trying to explore a city, starting from your home, then visiting all the neighboring streets first, before moving on to the next level of streets that are farther away. It ensures you visit every place in the shortest number of steps. BFS is most commonly used in scenarios where you want to find the shortest path between 2 points in a graph or need to explore all possible nodes from a starting point. The key is that it goes wide first, exploring all neighbors at the current depth before moving to the next. To implement BFS, you can use a queue. This is like a line of people waiting to be served. Whoever gets in line first is the first to be served. BFS works the same way by adding nodes to a queue and processing them one by one. Let's take a look at how it works in practice with an example. Initialize a queue to manage the nodes to explore. Keep track of visited nodes to avoid revisiting them. Process the queue until it's empty. Remove the first node from the queue. This is the node we are currently visiting. Look at all neighbors of the current node. If the neighbor has not been visited yet, add it to the queue. Example usage with a simple graph. Start BFS from node A. Now run our code. Okay, let's make a deal. If you like this video and subscribe, I promise I'll keep bringing you more awesome coding content. No bugs, no errors. Well, okay, maybe a few bugs, but I'll help you debug them. Seriously though, hitting that like and subscribe helps me out a lot and ensures you don't miss out on any future videos. Deal?